All right, so I got to change the fuel filter here on the old 7.3. So it should just be as simple as turning this little yellow valve here, bleeding the fuel pressure, and then I can actually get access to this cap and open it up to change the filter. So after some leakage here, managed to find that it's this teeny tiny little guy up here that the fuel comes from. So it's really inconvenient to get to, and I apparently had exactly one container that could reach it. So I finally got the fuel out of this thing, and man, I am really hoping that's not what the fuel looks like in there. This container was clean, and I really don't want to be running that through my fuel system. So this is not what I wanted to find, but the person who owned this before me apparently used aftermarket filters, and they're a whole one-piece unit, but the motocraft is just the filter. So now I got to try to track down a fuel cap for a 21-year-old truck. This is going to be fun. Looks like the gasket is all right though. I guess I'm waiting on parts now come Monday.